Stop, you've felt this before. That sudden, dizzying jolt when a brand new moment feels impossibly familiar. You're somewhere you've never been, doing something you've never done. And yet, every detail screams, this has happened before. The exact same light, the exact same words. Your heart skips, your skin prickles. For one strange second, reality itself feels like a rerun, and then just as fast it vanishes. You've just experienced one of the most mysterious glitches of the human mind. It's called déjà vu, French for already seen. Nearly everyone feels it, yet almost no one understands it. For centuries, it terrified people. They blamed past lives, prophecies, parallel worlds. But the real explanation is far stranger, and it's hiding inside your own brain. So what actually happens in that eerie moment? Almost everyone feels it. About two-thirds of people, usually between ages 15 and 25. Déjà vu is incredibly hard to study. It happens randomly, without any warning. It lasts only seconds. You can't summon it on command. So how do you catch it in a lab? For a long time, scientists couldn't. But slowly, clues appeared. The first big clue came from patients, people with a certain kind of epilepsy. They felt déjà vu right before their seizures. Intense, repeated, and on demand. And those seizures all started in one place, a region deep inside the brain, the temporal lobe. This is the area that handles memory, and a small part inside it helps you recognize familiarity. It quietly fires whenever something feels known. Scientists had a suspicion. What if déjà vu is just a tiny glitch, a misfire in that exact spot? Your familiarity signal firing when it absolutely shouldn't. To understand this, meet two hidden systems in your mind. Your brain has recollection, and it has familiarity. Recollection is the full, detailed memory, the where, the when, and the how. Familiarity is just a feeling, a vague sense that you know something, without any of the details. Normally, these two work together perfectly. You see a friend and instantly feel they're familiar, and a second later you recall their name. Both systems agree. But during déjà vu, something breaks that teamwork. The familiarity system suddenly fires, screaming, "This is known. This has happened before." But recollection stays completely silent. It has no matching memory to offer. So you feel this overwhelming familiarity, with zero actual memory to back it up. And that mismatch, that contradiction, is the eerie, unsettling feeling of déjà vu. It's your brain saying, "I know this place," while also saying, "I've never been here." Two signals, in total conflict. But why does this glitch happen at all? Scientists have several leading theories, and they might each be partly right. The first is the memory theory. Maybe the scene isn't actually new. Maybe part of it matches a buried old memory, a similar room, a similar layout of objects. Your brain quietly notices the overlap and flags the entire scene as familiar. Even though you've truly never been here, it's a false match, a simple case of mistaken identity. The second is the dual processing theory. Your brain processes everything twice, along two slightly different pathways. Normally, both signals arrive at the exact same time. But what if one path lags behind? By just a tiny fraction of a second. The delayed signal arrives a beat too late, and your brain misreads it as old, as a memory instead of the present. So the moment feels like a replay of something that only just happened. The third theory involves your attention. Sometimes you glance at a scene without really paying attention to it. Just a split second of distraction. Then you look again, fully this time, and your brain thinks, "Wait, I've seen this." And technically you have, a moment ago, without even realizing it. Each theory captures one piece of the puzzle, and together they hint at something remarkable. Déjà vu is a kind of memory error. But here's the truly fascinating part. It might actually be a sign of a healthy brain. Some scientists believe it's your memory checking itself, catching a false signal in the act, and flagging the error for you. That strange feeling you get might be your brain quietly saying, "Something here doesn't quite add up." A healthy mind notices the glitch, which is why, oddly enough, Younger people experience déjà vu the most. Their memory checking is sharp and fast, and it slowly fades with age, as that internal fact-checking winds down. So déjà vu isn't a malfunction at all. It might be a sign of quality control. Now think about what's really happening. In that single split second, two memory systems collide. Familiarity fires without recollection. Signals arrive out of sync. And your brain, caught completely off guard, generates one of the strangest sensations a human being can ever feel. The past and the present folded into a single impossible moment. It's not a past life. It's not a glimpse of the future. It's not another dimension. It's something far more amazing. It's your own brain, doing something so staggeringly complex that when it slips even slightly, you get to feel the seams of reality itself for one uncanny, unforgettable second. So the next time it happens to you, don't be afraid, don't be unsettled. You're not glimpsing another world. You're witnessing your own mind at work, in real time, showing you its hidden machinery. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.